Hello everyone, this is Jayan, an aspiring data scientist. Today, I would like to talk about LinkedIn, which is very important platform to build your personal brand. Let's think about LinkedIn and how it is going to help you. Now, think LinkedIn profile as your shopping mall. Let's say I am the recruiter, I am going to the feed of the LinkedIn. And you are in your city and you want to buy some clothes and you are going on a road and you are seeing the shops on the road which you don't know about any shops, and you're going on your road and you saw one shop where it is visually appealing. Okay, and the recruiter also seeing the feed and the professional photo that looks appealing to him. He stand there, he wait there, he engage there. Then I will see the headline of the post or the profile. It means the headline of the shop. What is a shop headline? Whether the shop contains clothes, whether the shop contains grocery, everything tells the headline. Now in the post as well, when he is going and beside the your professional photo, there will be headline that tells the recruiter the complete content that your profile contains, and he came to the right specific content that he want. Then he clicks on it. In a similar way, you goes to the shopping mall. Then let's see, after going to the shop, what we will do, we will see how the clothes are arranged, how it is very nicely structured. We'll get a good feeling, right, when we go to a shopping mall where it looks, when everyone around the shop, everyone in the shop are ready to show you the clothes, and they are spread in a way that you can go and see them, see the clothes, and you can figure out what you want. In a similar way, the recruiter comes to your profile and he just see the experience section. First he will go to the complete profile and he comes and stops at the about me section, which is very important, and he starts reading it, the journey. That's what it is very important to have a strong about me section, guys. In a similar way, the feature section, I will show you everything step by step, but I'm giving the analogy how you can get a picture of your profile, how you can think of your LinkedIn profile. It is a shopping mall. The recruited want to do shopping in your shop. We have to do that job. We have to make him to shop in our shopping mall. I mean, you understood, right? Now let's dive in to my profile. I will show you everything step by step. The headline, feature section, about me section, and the experiences, and everything step by step. Let's dive in, guys. It will be very amazing and fun. Yes, guys, this is my profile. As you can see on the screen, you can see the first foremost important step is to keep a professional photo. See, it is the first step. As I told you the analogy, when we are going on a road and saw any any shopping mall, it should look appealing, right? In a similar way, your professional photo is very very important. And then comes the headline. Very very important, guys. Here is the LinkedIn algorithm works. See, the keywords NLP, Python, ML, developed, you can see, conversational. These are all the keywords. And it is also well structured. I will tell you. See, data science candidate, what I want to be. NLP researcher, what I am doing. Developed conversational chatbot, what I have done, and my skills, and what I'm passionate about. And it is very specific, as you can see on the screen, it is very specific. healthcare and STEM education. I want to use AI in healthcare sector and education domain. I am very specific. If some recruiters saw this headline and he wants the job and the job posting is in this sector itself, then he will definitely prefer. I will be preferred than others, right? Because I specifically mentioned here. And then the most important section comes, the feature section. See, after entering to a shopping mall, if the clothes are not appearing and all the clothes are kept in the cupboards and you cannot see them, how you can buy, guys? Similar way, when recruiter comes, they should know the highlights of your journey. They see who are you. This is a recent post that I have posted where I told what is my goal, what is my purpose, what is my philosophy of life. And the recruiter reads it, and he whether he is committed, whether he is very whether he is towards our core mission or not, they can understand, right? And here are the other posts. See, text summarizer I have built project, kidney disease end to end. These are end to end projects, and this is my resume, and here is my LinkedIn. See the highlights, the most important parts you want to keep here. You should be mentioned here. Feature section is very important, guys. I hope you understood the importance. Then the about section, which is very 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 important. Let me open it. See, hey there, welcome to my LinkedIn profile. What I wrote at the start see, it should be proper spaced because we have to read, right. It should be in its proper spacing like this. In the first part, I introduce what I have done and what's my status. I'm enthusiastic, integrated MSc Mathematics student. I'm passionate about this, and I have 3K followers at LinkedIn. And here are my experiences. What I have done in my, what are the experiences that I have? I told I have a YouTube channel as well, Jain AI Lab. I will show you at the end, where I will talk about my end-to-end projects and very important videos that related to data science, and feature the graph neural networks, which are very advanced. I will be talking in my YouTube channel. And what I am doing at present, what I have done. This is, see, J Fast Foods. I have built a Nutrinet chatbot that can help J Fast Foods to, so that the people can order through the chatbot itself. What are the, see, the key words are the tools that I have used: Docker, CI/CD. This helps the LinkedIn algorithm so that it can show you profile at the top when someone searches about these technologies or frameworks. And further, about my kidney disease and what I have done. See, everything I have told, those are in the descending order. See, and these are all my experiences. Recently, I got the opportunity as Chief Technology Officer at Pizza Pal AI. I will talk more about this at the end. And as you saw, see, what is my ultimate goal and who want to connect with me. This should be the structure. I think you understood. The first part is introduce, and the next part is what all your experiences are, and the next part what you have built so up to now, and the projects you can talk about, the important tools framework that you have used, and the what is your goal, what do you want to be, and then you can say whom you want to come, the call of action, and the experience section, very very important, guys. See, as of now, if you don't have any experience section, experiences, you don't worry. Start. See, building a profile is a consistent effort. It's not one day process, guys. If you don't have any experiences, it's totally fine. Create a professional photo, a good photo, not the other ones, the fashion ones. Keep a good photo and start connecting with people whom you want to be in your short term, in the near future. What is your short term goal? Connect with them, only connect with them. Don't connect everyone else. You understood, right? Connect with them. And hashtag students, see, I will search hashtag students, where to, where in some post hashtag students will be placed, all the posts will be there, and you can go through the post and you can read them and you give a meaningful comment so that you will be discovered, people can know you. I think you understood, guys. If you don't have any experiences section, any experiences, or you don't have any projects, start connecting with people at least in the LinkedIn. Start commenting on the post so that people can discover you. And then the experience section, you can see what I have done, what I am doing. See, at NITW itself, I am doing as a researcher under Ramakrishna Prasad, where our aim is to find the relationship between the sarcasm and stress, or the relaxation, or the sentiment. The sarcasm and the relaxation, are they going to have more effect? Are they have their any contribution towards stress? We are finding it. That's our research using graph neural networks and NLP, self-employed. It's see, NLP. This internship I got through LinkedIn itself from my connections. LinkedIn is very powerful, guys. And this, as a chief technology officer, it is also I got through LinkedIn. First, the CEO of Healthy AI gone through my YouTube video and he came to my LinkedIn profile and he got the commendable impression on me. And then he mailed, can you be the chief technology officer for our recent startup, Pijapal AI? Yes, I said yes. It's a brilliant opportunity to build a business, right? I will show you the mail as well. See, LinkedIn is very, very important. Start building it. I will see. Under every experience section, I wrote what it is so that people know what I am doing, what I have done. See, what I have done in this internship at Chitram.ai. I collaborated with ML engineer. Our aim is to create a YouTube video in multiple languages so that people don't waste time on doing dubbing, right? Using LLMs, we have done this. That's what this internship is all about. And deep thought, where you can learn the leadership skills. I worked as a behavioral data scientist and growth hacking manager, where I learned what are the leadership skills, and I use rigorously ChatGPT there. I only worked 1 month because several reasons. See, everything I mentioned here, it's apart from this video. See, I wanted to tell you at every experience section, I wrote what it is and what I have done there. This is a certificate at FenLab. This is my starting internship. And next, the education section. See, I got this is my CGPA, and I'm doing, see what I am learning here. Everything you should mention, guys. This is my complete journey. All the six education. See, let me show you them. See, zero to mastery. I took one Udemy course. I mentioned it. I learned the machine learning and deep learning from Campus X YouTube channel. It is a free resource from YouTube, but I mentioned here particularly. And these are my schools and Udemy. I learned. I took the course, right. That's why I mentioned I educated from Udemy as well. And the certificates. Let me show you all the certificates that I have. I have completed the on-ramp courses from MATLAB. These courses are part of my AI course at present in this semester, and these are all the other machine learning with Python, Python Django, and Udemy course. As I told you before, certificates you have to mention them. You have to give the link to those certificates, and then the projects. See, You have to mention your project here also, not only in GitHub, so that the important project that people should know. See, end-to-end NLP chatbot. I embarked on the creation of J Fast Foods and end-to-end NLP chatbot using Dialogflow, guided by Dhaval Patel sir from the Codebase. I have done this project from YouTube itself, Code Basics YouTube channel. Through this journey, I strategically see, I completely mention what I have done, from where I have done, so that people know and they can click on this and they can go to my LinkedIn, to my GitHub, where this project is there. See, see, I have created videos as well. Why I have created video? Because it's a free resource in YouTube. How you are building the trust with the recruiter. That's what most important, right? I have done video. I have created a playlist itself. I have created playlist itself. I have created 5 videos in it, and see everything I mentioned. What is the step by step process I have done, and the demo of the website. This is how it looks like. J for Joy Fast Food, but I changed the name later. I think you understood, right? And the projects very important. See, end-to-end text summarization project I have done, and I will show you all my projects, which are very important. I have mentioned them. I feel I have contributed. I worked on them a lot. Then I done this. See, J Fast Foods using internet. I think I have mentioned it 2 times. See, kidney disease, movie recommendation system I have done, poor NLP questions. Guys, you can see here every project I have done. Not all the projects, important projects I have mentioned here. Every project will be there in my GitHub, right? It is there for, and you have to endorse your skills, which are very important. This section is very, very important. Skills section will help the LinkedIn algorithm to make you at the top of the search. See, signal on ramp. You should have at least 5 endorsements. As I got to know that you should have at least 5 endorsements, guys. See, my skills also I don't have. I will ask people who worked with me, who got to know, who I am traveling with. I will ask them to give me the to endorse my skills, right? See, here are my 5 endorsements: are the feature extraction, deep learning, behavior analysis, see, leadership skills, English. 5 endorsements at least: data visualization, XGBoost, time management, pandas. These are programming. See, you can see, right? You have to endorse them as well. You have to make it endorse with your connections, and the most important part also, the recommendations. At the time being, uh, don't think the recommendation you want to get from only the professional ones. No, from your friends as well. See, my best friend Badra is there. I asked him, please write a recommendation for me, and Mrudula also, and my cousin, the third one. You should ask them. You should keep the, you should get the recommendation, guys. It will help you. It will use the trust to the recruiter, so that they will be very confident on you at the start. After the interview, that is a secondary case. And the publication, I have written blogs as well. You have to keep the blogs, and you have to link to the blogs. I will show you the theory of everything, the standard model. Very interesting, guys. Please, what we are made of. The fundamental question I have answered, where you will get to know what are quarks, the everything. See how big is the equation is. Let's not deviate, and complete guides. You can see all the publication. Feature engineering. What is feature engineering? I have written the complete blogs. See, we have to link to that blogs as well. See, in part two. She's visually appealing. See, I have added as many pictures as possible, so that people can understand visually. You can go through these blogs as well, guys, if you like the content. See, courses. What are the courses that I have took? Chat GPT basics. I took this course, and I have used Udemy, 100 days of code, the complete Python bootcamp, and let me show you all the courses that I have took. You can see. You have to mention the courses, and if you have any honors, awards you can mention. I got the merit scholarship in my first year. I mentioned them. See, most important parts you should consider are the skills part and the about me section, your headline, and the projects and the recommendations as well. It's not one day process, guys. It's a consistent effort. See, I started building my LinkedIn profile from last year January onwards. Now it is like this. It's not one day process. If you don't have any experiences or any project, if you have not done any projects, start creating the profile and see the posts and comment on them. What are your thoughts? So that people can discover you and you can slowly start building, right? You'll get to know and you will be following your passion and you are building the profile. It will be step by step process, guys. I hope you got the value. Thank you, everyone.